Starting. What is up? So today is a different kind of day for Modesto.
Very different.
He gets to work on his own shit.
Yep, kind of rare around
not somebody else's stuff. Or hey bro, can you help me, I'm talking about myself. Hey, can you clear this code on the Tahoe? Can you fix my janky shit? So I've been trying to peer pressure, bro. He's been buying all this stuff. I ain't gonna disclose all the shit that he has already purchased for this car. And meanwhile, I've been over here, hey bro, what's up with your car? Hey, you done this? Hey, you done nothing? It's just parts boxes just piling up. And this shit's still sitting here, bare bones, stock as hell. So I told him, hey bro, it's Friday night. Let me come over after work. Let's at least get the motor out. You know, motor and trans, get that out so you can start getting the engine bay all cleaned up to your specs. Painted nice and nice. Painted.
I think it's gonna end up Ford color. There's like this Ford white that goes like pearl, you know, like real pearly.
Like goldish?
No, it's like almost like purplish. It's different. Okay. I don't know how to explain it. It's on trucks and stuff, but then again, I'm colorblind. There's a lot of stuff that I see that everyone else sees that's way different. So, you know, I don't know how to explain that, but yeah.
Well, I still have my paint gun and shit.
Oh, I already have all of that shit.
Okay, all right. Probably didn't want my janky ass paint shit anyways, but that's all right. But anyways, I'm not gonna go full over explaino on this. It's just two homies ripping a motor out of a Honda on a Friday night after work. And
after work, at work.
Yeah, I figured I'd bring y'all along with us, just diversifying the content a little bit since my poor ass can't touch the truck. I've got a pile of parts myself, but I'm waiting on a couple more pieces. And you know, our elected officials decide to have a little government shutdown. So the way that affects me right now is I can't have no overtime, and that was my play money. So anyways, enough about that. Let's do some cool shit to a Honda. All right.
Been like 30 minutes.
Seriously?
Yeah, been like 30 minutes.
So we think pretty much everything, unless there's something like hiding in the back down here down low.
That's pretty crappy how they have that. That is really crappy. There's like
little miscellaneous shit back there.
There's so many vacuum lines on all these old cars. It's crazy. But there's gonna be a ton of room for the new engine. Ton of room, and it's gonna be mounted on the opposite side. Like,
doesn't have all this extra stuff on it either.
Dude, it's gonna be so freaking empty, dude. So freaking empty.
All right, well, we're just about unhooked. So we got our we hit our mount bolts, got them just kind of cracked loose, and we're about to get it in the air a little bit, get these axles out, and then we should be about ready to yeet and skeet. Yep. Down a little bit. There you go. Hold up. There you go. Hold it. I don't know about that, big dog. I don't think you want to do that.
Well, now we're like kind of fucked.
Yeah, we got to do something now. Oh, whoa, 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 oh, shit. Right there. Hold on. Right there. Oh, fuck. Hold on.
ghetto.
Well, a couple good hours of ADHD later, and store run for some diesel so the heater and the power washer would work. We cleaned up the engine bay pretty good. Got rid of, what'd you get rid of? The ABS module?
The ABS module, all of the old intake stuff, a bunch, just all the old fuel lines, all the old brake lines, brake line tuck, wire tuck, fuse box is gonna go in the dash, just make it look clean.
Started deluming a little bit. It's gonna be nice.
This is like the fastest part of the whole build right here.
Yeah. Everything else is slow going.
Yeah.
Trust me, I know. Yours will go a lot faster than mine though, in perspective. But we hooked up a jump pack after we got to cutting and disconnecting stuff, and you know, all these major engine plugs are unplugged, so we at least hooked up power to make sure everything in there will work with just a hot in the ground.
Yep. The whole car works.
So that's dope, because you're doing standalone engine management and harness and all that anyways.
The car needs to be standalone, and then the engine and the trans are going to be standalone with a couple of wires that come in.
It'll be dope.
Awesome.
It'll be dope. Well, we're getting close to an end here, so I'm gonna go ahead and end y'all off. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Let me know, drop a comment if y'all enjoy some diversity while I'm waiting on getting my shit together on the truck, and while we're getting ready for our first pit bike race. I figured I'd throw some other automotive content at you. And this one's gonna be nasty, dude. You've got, I've seen the block, y'all haven't.
It costs more than most people's builds.
It costs more than, yeah. Peace out, be human. We'll see y'all next time.